Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to win more infected matches in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, choose the right loadout. Opt for weapons with high mobility and fast firing rates to handle close quarter combat efficiently. Map knowledge is key. Learn the map inside out to anticipate infected player movements and find optimal hiding spot. Stick with teammates. Safety in numbers. Stick close to your teammates to watch each other's back and fend off infected attackers together. Use headphones. Sound cues are crucial in infected mode. Use headphones to hear approaching infected players and react accordingly. Keep moving. Static targets are easy prey for infected players. Keep moving to make yourself a harder target to hit. Use equipment. Utilize equipment like flashbangs and smoke grenades strategically to disorient infected players and buy yourself time. Use high advantage. Climb to higher ground whenever possible to gain a tactical advantage and spot incoming threats from afar. Know your escape. Always have an escape plan in mind. Familiarize yourself with nearby exits and safe zones to retreat to when overwhelmed. Manage ammo efficiently. Keep an eye on your ammo count and reload strategically to avoid being caught off guard during a firefight. Prioritize targets. Focus on eliminating infected players who pose the most immediate threat to your survival, such as those closest to you or wielding powerful weapons. Stay vigilant. Infected players can blend into the environment easily. Keep a keen eye out for anomalies in your surroundings. Buddy system. Pair up with a trusted teammate to watch each other's blind spot and provide mutual support throughout the match. And that's how to win more infected matches in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.